This is part two of my one of my last steaks that I'm going to cook before my diet on the Ninja Foodie Grill. This is the Smart Grill with the temperature probe, and it's cooked very fast. This ribeye steak, and I set the preset up to well done, and it's already up to 135 degrees. The steak, and it's at medium well. It'll go up to well done, and then the target temperature is 154, but I'm not going to wait that long. I'll probably pull this steak at about 140, which is coming up soon, and then I'll show you the rest period and how fast and how high the temperature gets to where I like my ribeye steak. Pretty much medium well or medium well done. So I think I'm going to pull that about now. And here it is, the ribeye steak. I've already flipped it once, so that's why you see the char marks. I'm going to pull it out now for it to rest, and then the temperature will go up. Leaving the temperature probe in, so I know the temperature as it gets up. And right now I'm going to set my separate timer to about 5 minutes so that this steak rests for about 4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah, it came from listener Jay Feldman of Davis, California. I said, think of three common five-letter nicknames that have alphabetically consecutive initial letters and the same last
I got the
four
timer
letters.
for about 4 minutes.
And the answer was Jenny, Kenny, and Lenny.
We received close to 1,400 correct responses, and the winner is Michael Hagan from Guilford, Connecticut. Congratulations, Michael.
And then I won't
I'm so glad to be here.
film for the next 4 minutes. I'll start filming again once it's done resting. It's already exuding the nice juices. So we'll see you in a little bit. Let's see how the steak turns out.